Just got the crankshaft pulley off. Not the crankshaft pulley bolt, but the crankshaft, alright? Let me show you how I did that. So it sits right there, alright? So in this case, PB Blaster is your friend. I sprayed it last night, probably sat for 10 hours. And what basically I needed to double check, and you guys need to double check it as well. A lot of your pulley removals, right? There it is right there. So this comes through, right? If you're watching this video, obviously you're familiar with a pulley removal tool. Well, this, when I first started working on it, this little part right here was actually seized onto the bolt, the threaded part, right? So this part actually goes into where the crankshaft pulley bolt goes, and it actually needs to rotate. But what's happening when I first did this, and is actually moving the whole pulley, is you need this to rotate. So I had to get this thing out, had to pound it out, put it in a vise, just the all threaded part. And I pounded this out, grabbed a wrench and pulled this and twisted it. And actually right here, you guys can see that little indentation. There was a little snap ring there. So I ripped that sucker off, put some anti-seize on it, and then I was able to get it to spin. So if you guys run into the problem where you're using a puller tool and it's spinning the whole crankshaft on you and not pulling the crankshaft pulley off, make sure that this is rotating in there. Not too many people are talking about this, because you can put different tips on here. There's a arrow one like this, there's a bigger arrow one, and then there's a flat one. Make sure that this rotates on you, because this needs to slip while this is turning and pulling the crankshaft pulley off. Alright, just a quick tip for you guys. If you guys are having problems getting your crankshaft pulley off, like I was on this 2UZ-FE. But that's the battle right there. That's half the battle. That's actually all the battle. That's 87% of the battle right there. Getting the crankshaft pulley bolt off and getting the crankshaft off. Now I can get in there, replace the belt, water pump, everything else. Real nice like.